No, I wouldn't be chasing GameStop. I would rather chase AMC. And here's why. If you're an eight, $20 a share is much easier to purchase than $142 a share. Now let's remember Ryan Cohn from GameStop, right? Bought 100,000 shares the other at like 101, 102, $104. It's up 38% since he bought it. He's up $3.8 million. Now that doesn't mean anything to him, but understand he got in at 104. You guys are trying to get in, push it up from 142, from 126, from 136. If you can get in at $104, great, like Ryan. If not, that's why I don't invest in GameStop. That's why I stay away from AMC. I thought I was going crazy for a while. I was saying, how could the market be this strong 7 straight days? Inflow, volatility is at an all-time low yesterday. I'm thinking to myself, is there not war in Europe? Is oil not above like $116 a barrel? We're talking about the possibility that the US can go into recession. So some facts, okay? The Dow is down 7% from its all-time high. The NASDAQ is off 14% from its all-time high. So let's understand, estimates and forecasts for earnings have gone down. They've lowered expectations. Let's say expectations, your forecast, you said you were going to earn $2 and you reduce that by 10%. You're only owing $1.80. Well, you just reduced it by 10%. So everything should go down 10%. And the estimates are more like 18% off. So the fact that we're only 7 and 14% off from all-time highs, crazy. Now let's talk about psychology, okay? Because we had 7 strong days. This morning they were selling off, right? So what is the big money going to do? They're going to buy the dips. I mentioned in the video yesterday, it's called scare buying. It's a new terminology. They say, okay, we bought them. Now, things are going to get worse. There is no doubt for the reasons that I've already stated that things will get worse. Plus, you have madman Vladimir Putin, who just put his counterpart, right, the Democratic, in jail for another 9 years. So unless there's some type of coup or inside job on Vladimir, he's going to obliterate Ukraine. Please, I hope the Ukrainian people leave their country, go to neighboring countries, get the help until this is all situated. Point is, it's not situated. So let's talk about the psychology behind the market. So the market was selling off today, okay? And then it was bought up. And then where did we finish end of day? Well, we finished at the worst possible, lowest point on the SPY. You know what? Let me bring up the SPY so I can actually show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, I expect consolidation. If we're talking about the SPY, I really expect it to go back down to 428. But in all fairness, I guess I would be happy at 434, 436. It would make more sense. So look at the end of the day. Look at the selling, 445, all the way down. Where did we close at? Come on, 443 probably, 443.71. So understand, the volume was big. End of day, when the volume was big, we spent most of the time under 444, right around 444, which is a key level. So if it breaks support tomorrow to the downside, look for 440. The next step down is 436. Yes, that's what I think we're going to hit. Not necessarily tomorrow, but it is coming. Now let's look at the 1 month chart. I got the 1 month up. You'll see, let's look at the last few days, okay? Ever since the buying cycle started. SPY at 416, okay? Here we go. Little volume, bigger volume. So I believe it. I believe it up until 432. There you go. So that's why I tell you, I think we're going back down. After that, okay, let's see. So more volume up into 439. We're still not there. Then the volume's decreasing to almost nothing. So in my estimates, the people that are buying this market are running out of money. Now today, being Wednesday, was a red day. So I'm expecting another red day tomorrow in the market. And let's just say we get another one like this where we dropped, we dropped 11 points in 2 days. So let's see what we gave up today. These are how I make my predictions. All right, we gave up 5.88 points today. So I'm saying tomorrow we're going to have a duplicate day to today, exactly like today. So if you ask me what I'm looking for on Thursday, futures will be off tomorrow morning in my estimation. Remember, I shoot these videos at 4 p.m. when the market closes. So in my estimation, futures will be off. Then what are they going to do at market open? Unlike today where they bought it up, right? People might start to understand and think like mad and say, wait, if things are going down lower, I'm going to get the best price. So I'm not necessarily going to buy at 9:30 or 9:40 tomorrow morning. So instead of this tomorrow, if we open up red, we might see something like this and then a lower amount because the SPY closed at the lowest point at the end of the day, which means people were eager to sell end of the day. So unless something changes overnight, going into tomorrow morning, the people that are reevaluating all of their positions are going to look at their accounts and say, wow, we just made 19% on Hood in the past week. Let's clean out that position or at least lower our stake in the company. So a lot of big banks, institutions, hedge funds will do that. To hear about other positions I like, just stick around. Watch the next video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Analytics are important to you.